This backyard was designed and built for private residence in Laurel Hollow, New York. The pool was existing and restored. We installed new coping, porcelain tiles in the water line under the coping, and finished the pool with the gray marble dusting. The coping consists of a bullnose walnut travertine, which was also used throughout the backyard for caps on walls and steps. The whole backyard was paved with G046 Melfi limestone. Very beautiful combinations of colors, of browns, grays, maroon colors. We use culture stones for the risers and the wall veneer. The project was recently sealed. We also built a outdoor kitchen on the top level. This is a multi-level backyard. Very detailed backyard design. Latest Gappsi project, designed and built in Laurel Hollow, New York.